Every week, your inbox gets swamped with spreadsheets, and your job is to compile them into a single master file before they reach your boss's inbox. Sounds tedious, right? Hey, I'm Ken Miranda, and I'm here to show you how learning Python can be a game changer. Forget Power Query or manually opening each file. Let's make it happen in seconds. My Python script dives into my weekly sales report folder in Outlook, grabs every attachment, and places them neatly into the pending folder on my desktop. Now, here's where the magic happens. The script meticulously reads the data from each spreadsheet. It tallies the hours worked, calculates sales figures, sorts out the employee IDs, and even determines the current sales week. It appends all these details into our master spreadsheet. But it doesn't stop there. It even preps an email draft, complete with the updated master sheet attached. All it takes from you is a quick glance for quality assurance, and then you hit send. Would this save you time if you had this script?